There's the kitties. There's Calisynne's kitties. Hello, baby. Hi there, Via. Had enough? Have you had enough now? Huh? Have you had enough? Hello, Pablo.
Get the box.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's nice and cool back here.
It is. That's kind of what I'm saying back here. You got the snifflies, though, don't you? Almost all of them.
Yeah, I think they were getting over something.
I wish I could think of. That's so cute. Hello. Hello. This one especially, this little gray baby, keeps
They're
sneezing.
so cute.
Do you remember their names?
Mm-mm.
I don't remember their names at all.
Calisynne.
I know this is Livia, because she's the all white one. I remember that.
Yeah, I don't know that I ever heard all their names. I probably did, and then there's just so many. No.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.